everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make chicken nanban. It's a fried chicken soaked in sweet and sour Nanban sauce topped with tasty tartar egg sauce. It's a very popular Japanese home-cooked meal originated in Kyushu, Miyazaki prefecture, and now it became a popular dish nationwide. I received lots of requests, so I decided to make it. My daughter loves it. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. Let's make tartar sauce first. Chopped boiled eggs and onions, 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. It doesn't have to be perfectly measured. 1 tablespoon of milk, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, season with salt and pepper, and parsley flakes. Mix well and keep in the fridge if you prefer cold tartar sauce. You can use chicken thigh or breast with skin or no skin is okay. Season with salt and pepper. If you're using chicken breast, make incision in the center and open it up. Be careful not to cut through. Season with salt and pepper. Dust with flour, all-purpose flour is okay. Now dip in beaten egg. Deep fry in half-inch oil in a frying pan on medium for 5 minutes. Flip them over, cook on high for 3 minutes until crisp golden brown. Remove from the oil and drain well. Now clean the frying pan. My mom told me this product is easy to use. Yes, it was. Put the ingredients for Nanban sweet and sour sauce. Bring to a boil. Coat the fried chicken in the sauce. Cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces and place on lettuce. Drizzle with leftover Nanban sauce. And drizzle with tartar sauce to finish. And now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
食べてるからお口が冷まってから、
おいしい？
じゃあバイバイ。終わり。